How to log in to Jpay to send money to inmates. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can get logged into your account. So without any further ado, let us get started. First of all, make sure that you have installed Jpay application in your device. To do that, head over to Play Store. At the top search bar, type in Jpay and download the application. Once you do so, tap Open. As soon as you launch your app, you will land onto this page. Now here, simply type in your email at the email box. Once done typing your password at the password box, in case you don't remember your password, you can also tap on Forgot Password at the box below and get help resetting your account. Once you fill out all these information, tap on to Login at the box below. And if your credential matches your account, you will get successfully logged into your Jpay account. And that is how you can do it. That is all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will catch you up in our next upload. In the meantime, do like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss an update from us.